Alright guys, welcome back to Popo's Woodworks. So yeah, still on the adventure with the CNC machine, but I went ahead and sat down in the Carbide Create and I designed a Virginia State Police patch by, there's every one I found online, I couldn't really trace it because all of their photos are of an actual patch. So they got the little fuzzy stitch or thread that goes around the outside and all that. So I had to do a lot of tracing and drawing, which took a lot of time. Then the Virginia State seal, it's so busy on the inside that my actually Carbide Motion crashed on me halfway through. I think I was about an hour and a half into the project, it crashed, and I tried to restart it, and for some reason when I restarted it, it put it maybe a 1/16 of an inch off, and it screwed it up because it got to cutting, and it's wood. Once it's cut, it's cut. So that entire piece of wood it's gonna be firewood now. So, but you live and you learn. So I got to researching on Carbide Create for any of y'all that having a problem with it crashing. And on their website it says that some reason Carbide Motion, some reason with Carbide Motion, it can only hold so much data. So take megabytes for example. Say it maxes out at 10 megabytes and your drawing that you upload into the system is 20, it's going to have a problem with that, and you risk it crashing. So what I did to try to combat that is I broke my toolpaths down separately, not running anything together, and I went back into my design and I deleted every line and every dot that I thought that I could delete and make it still turn out somewhat okay. But that seal's a booger, and I guess truthfully, well, I got a V-bit that I use on it, but I don't know, maybe I need a smaller bit. Like I said, I'm still learning, but I got it done, and well, in the system it looks okay. So hopefully that's going to transfer to the wood and look okay, because the only wood, these flags I'm doing is 16 inches wide, 30 inches long, and the only wood that I can find at Lowe's that is that size where you don't have to glue it together is the project panels. So we're going to give it a shot. It may have a problem with chipping or chip out, but it is what it is. You learn by doing, right? So anyway, enough talking once again, because I do talk a lot at the beginning of the video. But most of this is going to be time lapse because the whole thing says it's like 4.5 hours is how long it takes to do it, and I'm not running a 4.5 hour video. So I'm gonna do a lot of time lapse, and so let's go ahead and get started. Put this thing, I'm gonna skip the design, it's already done. I'm gonna go straight to the machine and let's watch it cut. For those of you that part's satisfying, it is for me. I enjoy it. But anyway, let's get busy. you can see, if I can find my finger right here, I flipped it over and designed another program to where it would cut 2 slots where you can put a nail in the wall hanging on the wall, so they're 1/4 inch deep, and I'm hoping that'll work. So that's the back side. Now I got some hangers. Now I'm gonna flip it over and finish it. Now we're going to put a little bit of spray polyurethane. I'm not a big fan of this, but it'll probably work good on something like that right there. So let me go ahead and get this going. Oh, and I'm not going to burn the inlays of these stripes right here because they don't want them burnt. And I think it looks good like it, to be honest. All right, so we're gonna let that dry and then she'll be done. Well, we got it done. It ain't perfect, but I think it looks pretty good considering. But anyhow, so that's the project right there. If y'all got any questions, shoot me a comment. I'll try my best to answer them. I'm not that good with CNC stuff yet. But anyway, like I always say, y'all like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.